Alright, John, here's your 1/18 scale Ford Explorer you sent to me. This one, I don't know if whoever you bought it from did some swapping around, because the blue one and the maroon one are available fairly inexpensive. And, of course, it's got the civilian-style wheels on it. And the black one, when you find them, they're very expensive. So I don't know if they did a swap on this and took the black one, the black police version, what am I trying to say, the black police version, and put it on the chassis for the civilian style to get more out. I have no idea what they've done. Or you may have done it, I don't know. But anyway, it doesn't matter. It is a black Explorer, civilian Explorer, but it does have the mirrors for the, it looks like it has the strobes built in them. So I don't know. And this was all glued together too, the grille and everything, so they usually don't glue all that in, but anyway, here's what it is. You also see the holes right there where the push bar goes. So I don't know. Again, I'm wondering if this wasn't a police version. They swapped everything out to get the other color. I don't know. But it did add the lighting that you wanted. That's what we're here for. The front door is still open. Of course, the hood or the lift gate, neither one open on these cars. Now notice you can see where the spotlight was at. Oh well. I did swap the license plates. Added the Utah license plate front and rear. See those? What else? Interior-wise, I added the MDT that you asked for. You'll see that a little bit better here with the lights. Now you wanted some of the lighting set up on separate switches, which I talked to you about. And I've done all the emergency lighting. Your grille strobes, front visor, rear visor lights are on one switch. The MDT is on one switch, and then your headlights will be on one switch. So switches go across here. This is your emergency lighting on the passenger side. This is the switch right here that powers on the lighting. As far as your headlights, taillights, you won't see anything happen when you press that, but you know, when you hit your button here, it will give you your different patterns and stuff with that. So that's what that is. And then this one here is for your MDT. Let's go ahead and turn that on. You can see it light up with interior work like there. You can see it on. Of course, that can be, all these can be operated simultaneously or independently of each other. So we'll go ahead and turn that one back off. This one here, again, you press this, nothing happens. Okay? But when you press this switch here, it's going to give you your steady lighting. So you see your headlights, taillights. Then once you press that one more time, it'll give you a slow wig-wag. And I mentioned to you how the headlight kind of stays on a little bit, so it still kind of gives the effect of the steady lights being on as well. Of course, taillights do the same deal. Again, press that again, it just speeds up. And finally, just almost a crazy strobe. Press again, it turns it completely off. Again, how this works here. Now, I think you'll want to turn this other switch off when you turn your headlights off instead of using this one, because I believe that it will run the battery down if you just leave that on, because I think that circuit board will draw all the time. So that's why I wire a switch in directly to it, so you can just turn it off completely. The switch over on the passenger side muffler again is your emergency lighting. See your rear visors there, 2 reds, 2 blues like you asked for, triple strobe. Each side, each time you see one of those flashes, it's actually a 3 flash or quick strobe there. Same deal with your grille lights. Those are triple strobes each side. And then your red and blue front visor. You can see all those together. Of course, we can turn your headlights and taillights on. Again, if you want just a steady mode headlights, you can have those. Press it a couple of times to get you to your wig-wag mode. Of course, taillights again doing the same thing. And also, if you wish, you can operate the interior work light as well. So everything will work, like I said, independently of each other or together. So again, I think I mentioned the license plate, so no need to go over that again. So there you have it, John. Appreciate it. Thank you for letting me do the build for you, and I'll throw this video up and get it maybe get it shipped out to you tomorrow. So I appreciate it. Thank you.